everybody. Coach Ted, TNT Strength and Conditioning. What I'm going to do is go over some grip training that we do. We do a ton of grip work. We throw it in the main part of the workout. We throw it in as extra stuff at the end, sometimes in the beginning. All right, so I have a lot of different stuff here to show you. I'm going to take you through it pretty quick. All right, let's start with when we work grip, let's start by saying we work the hand strength, like finger strength, hand squeezing, and also I like to do the forearms because they work together. All right, so here's a great one for finger strength, right? For squeezing hand strength. Take 2 weights. These are 10s. 10s are a good way to start. If it's heavy, you can use 5s. 25s would be pretty intense. 10s are good. So grab the 10s, sandwich them together so you have a flat side on both, and you simply just pick up and squeeze. And you can go 1 hand, 2 hand, and work directional, right? So passing off. Don't turn it like a wheel, just little baby turns, clockwise and counterclockwise, trading off, all right? That's our plate pinch, all right? We also take a dumbbell. This is a hex-shaped dumbbell, which is great, a hex hold. Don't palm it, use your fingers, and you're just gonna simply hold the weight. Squeeze it with your fingertips, all right? You can try to work up to something heavy, to where you can just get it off the ground and hold it, or you can go like lighter and hold it for a time like this. Okay, we use fat grips, so we will take the fat grip and put it on a heavy dumbbell. This is a light one for this demo, but put it on something heavy, and you can either just pick it up and hold, or you can hold and do farmer carries, or you can throw fat grips on for other things, like any of your like overhead pressing, your curls, things like that. So adding the fat grip just causes your hands to have to squeeze tighter to a bigger object and builds that strength. All right, Captains of Crush grippers, we love these here. We use them all the time. They have a bunch of different levels. Captains of Crush brand is the premier ones. You get them through Iron Mind, but anyone will do if you don't have these ones. And just simply pump them out, and then sometimes we'll hold for time. All right, mix them up like that. I have this wrist roller, simple wrist roller. You wrap it around the weight. And you do wrist curls, all right? This is going to really get the forearms going, but your hands are also working too. There's a lot of like that opening and closing hand motion. So, we wind them down, we wind them up, full length of the rope, okay? Another thing is take a rag, real simple, bring it over to a kettlebell, put the rag around it, a rag or a towel, and just hold the top of it, do like a little partial deadlift, and hold. You can walk with this or just do holds. All right, if you don't have a kettlebell, it will work the same around the dumbbell. Just pinch it around the dumbbell, make sure it's secure, and hold. All right, that's a great thing to do. This here is a Rolling Thunder, so it's a fat handle and it spins. Take the Rolling Thunder, you have a pin, you put plates on it, and it's just like that rag. If you don't have a Rolling Thunder, the rag will work great. It's the same technique. You're gonna stand over top and hold. Working up in weight, so you do some for long distance or long time, and others for short time and just a heavy. Boom, as much as you can get to lockout. Also, when you're deadlifting, do your deadlifts. When they're lighter sets, you can do them double overhand, which will help work that grip, and then switch to your alternate grip or your hook grip, whichever you're doing. But a regular thumbs around double overhand will challenge your grip, and you can just do long holds at the top of your lighter sets, or at the end do a back down set where you just lift up and hold, literally hold the dumbbell statically for as long as you can. Sometimes we'll put the bar in a power rack where you don't have to actually worry about the deadlift. You just lift it a few inches with that double overhand and just up and hold. We also have a pull-up bar in here that has a thicker one, so grabbing a thick pull-up bar, and when you do your pull-ups, you pull up on that. That works your grip, or just pull up and hold, or hanging holds where you're doing long arm hanging holds where you get a stretch, but on that thick grip, it challenges your grip. And you can do hanging abs. And if you don't have a thick grip pull-up bar and you can't add fat grips to it, a regular pull-up bar will work too. You'll just be holding onto it longer. So the point is, we do a lot of static holds, and we do a lot of finger grip work, another forearm exercise, right? Because like these are going to pump up the hands and the forearms. So is this, like a wrist curl. So take the weight with or without a fat grip. You can do like a reverse wrist curl. Hold it here, kind of on the side of your leg and hip, and just up, hold and down, up, hold and down. You can take that same thing, bring it to a bench for a slightly different feel. Up and down, right? Wrist curls with dumbbells. Same exact thing with a barbell, laying on the bench or facing backwards and using a barbell. I hope all that helps to help build your grip. Throw it in whenever you can. A lot of farmer carries just by themselves, just carrying heavy dumbbells or kettlebells, builds the grip indirectly because you pumping the legs, got the shoulders set, everything's getting worked, including that grip. So it's not direct grip work like this, it's indirect, but it is awesome to build the grip. So throw in grip work all the time if you want to have a stronger grip, which will allow you to lift more weights. It will allow you to, not have to worry about losing a deadlift because of your grip, but it will also, if your grip is stronger, and grip isn't in your sport per se, a stronger grip allows you to do other lifts and exercises better and stronger, so the grip isn't the limiting factor and you can build the other muscles. So I try not to use straps on my lifts. I like to build that hand strength for our athletes. Hope this helps, and have a great day.